y'all, what's up? It's me, Markia, and I'm back with another video. And today we're going to be doing some mini twists, or maybe some not so mini twists, because I'm not really sure on how big I want my parts, but they're not going to be too small. Anyways, so I was debating, going back and forth with myself on whether I should do this tutorial on wet hair or dry hair. But today I'm going to do it on dry hair because a lot of my subscribers have not really mastered the curl, or really mastered, you know, being able to manipulate their hair, or even get their hair to be a certain way, or to be as manageable when it's wet. I'm going to link some videos down below in the description box, as well as up here somewhere back to back, on how I do my wash and goes, or even just my oil washing routine. Those two ways itself makes my hair very manageable. However, I'm going to be doing an updated wash and go wash day routine, because some stuff has changed. Not that much, but I started doing my hair in the showers and I've been seeing a drastic difference. However, just like y'all out here that says I don't got kinky coily hair or 4C hair, whatever y'all want to call it, because I don't believe in a typing system. Yeah, my hair gets just like y'all's. Do y'all see that? Let's zoom in. Like, do y'all see this? Because I don't think y'all be seeing this. I don't know if y'all think, you know, these my two twists back here, don't mind it, but like, I don't be thinking y'all be understanding how curly hair, kinky coily curly hair, all works the same for the most part. It doesn't matter how much more of a kink your hair has, it's the same methods when you're working with kinky, curly, and coily hair. Moisture. Our hair is dry. Your hair may not curl like mine. My hair may not curl or coil like yours, but for the most part, all of this works the same when it comes to managing it. You're not going to get a different texture. You're going to get your texture, but a more moisturized, manageable. So let's get off that subject. I don't want to get too deep into that, but yeah, let's go ahead and get into doing this hair.
Crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby, oh. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you say you hit my line, I'm on your mind, and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction, cause you really found that action. Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, can't post it. How that works? What you talking? Back that shit up. Won't you say mine, say mine? So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby, oh. Oh, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
We got London on the track.
mind. You wanna be a good friend of me. Why don't you pour up that Hennessy? Light up a few blunts and we can get high. Don't need to rush, but take your time. I know it's been too long. I've been on the road too much. Gotta get back to you. Back to you. Can't even play it cool. Thinking about them nights I would've really been with you. Tonight, I wanna have some good fun tonight. I wanna get in the sun tonight. I just wanna make up a lost time. I like to taste it when you run down my back and relax. Touch me like that. It's nice and slow. I know it's been too long. I've been on the road too much. Had to get back to you. Back to you. Can't even play it cool. Thinking about them nights I would've really been with you. Tonight, I wanna have some good fun tonight. I wanna get in the sun tonight. I just wanna make up a lost time tonight. Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick. Right amount of slapping me up, think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of play, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body feels that I you do know. We'll never fall out of love. Choo, 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 choo. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss. Baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this. I want this to work out so bad. But I feel it in my chest and I want it. I want it, yeah. We'll never fall out of love with you. Choo, 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 choo. Get you, get you, get you.